Beautiful evening here in Pencil's place, out at the garden, trying to get the last of all the good stuff. Shanda's inside, still canning, putting away all her stuff. Here's the up to date on the garden. Man, it's in full bloom. We can't hardly keep up with it. We're got tomatoes coming out of our ears now, beans, jalapenos, Anaheims, the pole beans. Man, that's really cool what you got there. Not to mention all the cucumbers. Tomorrow she's going to be coming over here and working on this. Look at there's still choke cherries right here. She wants to come and get all these choke cherries out of here. She's wanting to make some jelly. She's really got her hands full right now. She's got about 4 or 5 different projects going on. But she's awesome. All her hard work she's got a lot of stuff already canned already, so looking pretty good. It's a good day at Pencil's place. A lot of hard work, but it's just really very rewarding. Love you guys.